Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful Avondale, Pennsylvania. I want to show off one of the projects that we finished today. I brought you a live video earlier today showing you what our crew was working on with this porch roof right here. We took down that railing, we repaired some wood damage that was there and replaced the EPDM rubber roof that ran across and then put the railing back up. So that's kind of what we've been working on. Got Norm and Andrew started this morning on a finished basement in West Grove. I'm in the process of wrapping up a water damaged laundry room, which we'll be bringing you some video of later in the week or over the weekend or next week. We'll see when I get those uploaded for you. But they had a cascade of water come down through their second floor, first floor, and into the basement, damaged some hardwood floors, took out their laundry room. Remediation company came in, dried everything out. So I'm working right now on getting them back to the point where they have a working laundry room again. So that's going on. The 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 stucco job is complete. We'll get you videos of that coming soon. And a couple other projects that have been in the works that we've got lots of footage, but because we didn't have good cell service, I couldn't give you a live video feed from there. That's life sometimes. So we had those recorded and I have to just get those edited and up for you. But I wanted to show off this porch roof here today. So the guys finished this up earlier this afternoon. It's actually already had rain on it. So let's give you a tour. Let's take a walk over and we'll see what's happened. So what we did, the customer's noticing that he had some water damage starting to show up inside underneath. And he was afraid that with the stucco here, if it wasn't addressed, that he'd wind up with a stucco remediation problem as well. And so we took down this railing on top. We removed the EPDM rubber roof, removed all the fascia capping, repaired the damaged wood, replaced the stuff that was damaged that we needed new stuff for. And once that was on, we were able to put everything back together. So let's take you up on the ladder and we'll show you what's happening. Here we go. I guess I can show you this first. So you notice this little drip cap here on the front. It's kind of a mini rain gutter that's supposed to help keep you from getting soaking wet when you come in the house at night. So a little extra feature on the flashing to help out. Up the ladder. And there you have it. So railing's back up and in place, secured with the proper sealant this time. What we noted earlier is that the type of sealant that they used before is petroleum-based, and that actually eats and degrades the rubber membrane, which has probably started the problem. Our clients just came home, they're checking it out. Welcome to the party. Hi. So the railing came off, the roof came off, the wood came off, and once we got that replaced, started putting it all back together, and as you can see, it's already real wet. Our crew tied it underneath the stucco, and this is beautiful and pretty and ready to be enjoyed for many years to come. Most importantly, it's watertight. So that's how we solved this problem here today. We hope you guys enjoyed checking it out earlier and seeing what's going on. If we can help you solve a problem, whether it's something with your exterior, windows, doors, siding, capping, roofing, there's not much of that we don't get into. We do all the interior stuff as well, finished basements, kitchens, bathrooms, water damage, whatever may get into, whatever problem you have with your house. So if there's a problem we can solve, take a picture of it, send it to us here on our Facebook page, click that contact us at the top, and our team will be happy to work with you to see what we can get involved with to get that solved for you. Well, pictures will hopefully get you a ballpark and talk about what it's going to take to get that scheduled and that work complete. And when we're finished, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it was coat built. Thanks for joining us on the live video. I'm going to say hi to our lovely family here who just got home, and we will catch you guys on another video. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you guys real soon. Bye for now.